Well, here I'm back. Trying to see what's got in the way. Oh, I got my little alcohol bottle. In Foster's pot, I boiled up some water using Tenny's mini bowl design, which I think is really an awesome little stove. I like it. Anyway, that's what I used to boil up this lasagna with meat sauce. I have to say one thing, it's thick. So I'm going to show you the meat now. Anyway, this is Ted. I'm out at Oak Mountain again, trying out this lasagna with meat sauce. I don't know how that looks to you, but it looks hot and it's thick. So we'll see. I'll set the camera up over here. See if I can get it to stay put. Yeah, I'll try a bite of this. It's thick as heck. Probably could have added a little more water, but it looks hot too. Good. Mountain, what is it? Mountain Home, Mountain House, I think it is. I'll say this much. It's good. It's hot, it's cheesy and meaty. Well, I got no complaints on this one. I'd rate this at least an 8, maybe a 10. I hadn't done enough of them to know. But, gosh, this is easy. So easy to make. Wonderful. It's hot, thick. Look at that.